Explore global cultures, find unity in diversity, stories that bridge worlds and hearts. Once upon a time, there was a guy named Mark Twain. He was just a regular kid, not rich or anything. He worked at a place where they printed stuff, but it didn't pay much. So, he didn't have a lot of money. One day, Mark was walking past a fancy restaurant. He smelled the delicious food and his stomach rumbled with hunger. But when he checked his pockets, he only had a few coins. Not enough for a fancy meal. As Mark was feeling sad about not being able to eat, a dog came up to him. It was a really cool-looking dog, all clean and healthy. Mark thought to himself, "Wow, even this awesome dog is wandering the streets like me." The dog seemed to like Mark and followed him around. But fate, it seems, had other plans. A soldier stopped Mark and said, "Hey, that's a special dog you've got there. She is no ordinary mutt. Can I buy it from you for $3? Mark, with a heavy heart and a growling stomach, saw a chance to alleviate his financial woes. Mark hesitated, then looked at the dog and back at the soldier. Sure, I guess," he said reluctantly, taking the money. Later on, another guy came rushing up to Mark, looking worried. He asked if Mark had seen a white dog. Mark's heart sank as he realized he had sold the dog that belonged to this guy. Feeling guilty, Mark came up with a plan. He asked the worried guy for $3 and promised to find his dog. The guy, desperate to get his pet back, quickly handed over the money. Mark went back to the restaurant where he had sold the dog and found the soldier. Excuse me," Mark began nervously, "I need to talk to you." The soldier looked up from his meal and raised an eyebrow. "What's up?" I can't sell you the dog," Mark stammered. "She meant too much to me." "I'm sorry, here's your $3. The soldier frowned, but then his expression softened. "I understand," he said, nodding. "She's a good dog, take her back." Relieved, Mark hurried back to the worried guy. "Here," he said, out of breath, "I found your dog." The guy's face lit up with relief and gratitude. "Thank you so much," he exclaimed. "You're a lifesaver." And with that, Mark watched as the guy and his dog walked off together, happy to have helped them reunite. It might not have been the easiest way to earn $3, but it was definitely the right thing to do. In times of hardship, survival becomes paramount.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to explore, learn, and get connected. See you in the next video.